So you're thinking about moving to Clive. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at 3 different houses, and the price point is really good, right around between $500,000 and $600,000. So let's get into it right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in the Des Moines area, then you're going to want to tap subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market conditions in the Des Moines area. Hi, my name is Andre. I'm with the Des Moines, Iowa real estate team, and we get calls from people like you every day. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give me a call. My contact information is going to be in the description. I'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area. All right, I'm here. We're like 6 or 8 minutes away from the neighborhood where I'm going to show you these 3 houses. You got the IMAX theater right here. You got all kinds of restaurants. You got Chipotle and Noodles and Culver's and Mexican restaurants and car washes and banks and just anything you might want. We're not far from the Hy-Vee right here and the Fairway and Aldi. So a lot of conveniences. It's a great location right here in Clive. A lot of really nice new construction homes here, lots to choose from. Let's go take a look. All right, we're walking into this one. This house is, I love the way you walk into just a wide open area. This house is $527,800. It's got 1,723 square feet above grade, and then another 1,180 in the finished basement. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Really nice house. Let's go take a look. There's a lot of nice extras here. This is an Orton home. They did a fantastic job. I love all the nice little touches that they did. The colors, some of the, the backsplash, the beam on the fireplace. I'm going to show you all that. Really, really nice. Look at the size of the island right here. You could probably maybe fit 5, probably 4 bar stools right there. But the really nice big sink in the island. I like this little, I don't know, coffee little area right there next to the fridge. A nice gas stove, and look at the sink right there. The dining room area is good size and goes right out to a really nice covered deck. Let's go take a look at the covered deck. I love covered decks, and this looks out to. So it feels, even though you're looking at a lot of houses back here, it feels wide open. The yards and the lots are really nice size. So that's nice. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Oh, before I do that, I want to show you the backsplash. I really like it. I like the colors they chose. All right, primary bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom. It's not huge, but I like that. You don't really need a big bedroom. All I do is sleep in my bedroom. Got the tray ceilings in here. Got a pocket door on the bathroom here. See that? Double vanity. Here's the walk-in shower. Quite nice. Nice walk-in tile shower. And here is they did a good job on the shelving in here. Really like the shelving. And as you know, if you watch my videos, one of my favorite things, the laundry room is right here, practically in the primary bedroom closet. Here's the drop zone. Got some nice cabinets. They did a really good job. This is all the extras that they do. And nice little bench and shelf area. Let me show you the garage. Nice 3-car garage. This pantry is interesting. They did great shelving everywhere. Look at that. Pretty nice. Soft close cabinets. Can't slam them. And your kids can't slam them. They come up here, eating breakfast. Maybe you're still sleeping. Oh, I did slam it. Can't really slam them, Nice and quiet. Let's go take a look at the guest bedrooms. This is the bathroom they share. Right there. And here's the guest bedroom. Really nice closets in this guest bedroom. See, they've got the regular doors and some great windows looking at the backyard here. So let's go take a look downstairs. I want you to see, I want to make sure you see that interesting lighting above the staircase right there. Down here, they have got 9-foot ceilings. You walk into this room, it's not huge, but they made the bedrooms quite large down here. So this is an eye-level basement. So, but you don't even feel like you're in a basement with the high ceilings and plenty of light coming through the windows. Nice lights, bright lights in here. Get the bar. I'm going to show you the bar right there. And here is the shared bathroom. They've got 2 bedrooms down here. Here's the first one. About the same size as the one upstairs, but they've got a really big closet down here in that bedroom. And this bedroom is the bigger of the 2. Pretty big, and it's got a nice big closet. Also, nice walk-in closet. Here we are in the living room. This is, look at this beam. I really like that. Nice accent with the, and it goes good with the brick fireplace. Really nice house. Orton Homes does a fantastic job. They've got a lot of nice little extras and a lot of nice touches. So, great house. All right, the next house I'm going to show you is in the same neighborhood. So not a whole lot different to tell you about the area, except I missed one thing. I love these rolling hills out here. And over there, you can see the tops of those houses. I feel like I'm on a hill. It's not mountains like Colorado, but beautiful views here. I love this area. Clive is a great place. We're gonna go take a look at this house right now. All right, we're walking into this one. This is a great house, a lot of extras in this house. You get the curved archways over some of the doorways, and then you get the tray ceilings all over the place, even in the entryway with those interesting lights, and in the kitchen and the living room. This is $556,800. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's 1,791 square feet above grade, and then another 1,205 square feet finished basement. Really, really nice house. Again, Orton Homes puts a lot of extras in their houses. You got the same kind of crown molding above the windows and the doors. I love the color choices in here. Huge island in this house. Take a look at that. And let's go take a look around. So here's the kitchen. You got a gas stove, and even got the pot filler right there. I like that. And dining room area right here. Let's go take a look on the porch. Another covered deck with lots of great views here. Wide open backyards in this area, in this neighborhood. Great views. Curved archway on this door too. Into the primary suite right here. Nice big primary suite. I like the interesting windows over here. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. I like a lot of stuff about this bathroom. I like this. There's a window right there to let out some of the steam after your shower. Little private water closet and a nice walk-in tiled shower right there. Really like the primary bathroom here. The closet, here's the walk-in closet. And again, with the laundry room right next to the walk-in closet. So right here, and then you walk into the drop zone with the beautiful shelving that Orton Homes does. And a 3-car garage. Wow, it's a really big island right there. Let's go take a look at the guest bedroom on this side next to the front door. You got the, here's the shared bathroom. Really, oh, this is a cool room. It's got vaulted ceilings and a huge window. Nice closets. Here, I'll show you. That's the closet. I like the vaulted ceiling in there. And this bedroom right here. A lot of little extras, you know, the archways and the crown molding and the tray ceilings everywhere. Real nice. And this is the basement. It's an eye level, so the ground is like above my head. This is a fantastic bar. Let me show you that. Look at that. Nice little area down here. Great for entertaining. And they've got one bedroom and one bathroom down here. Show you the bedroom. Here's that. And then the bathroom. There you have it, a really nice house. Orton Homes does a really good job. They've got a lot of extras in this house, as you can see. Really nice house. I didn't talk about the floors, but they've got some nice, I like the color, and some really nice LVP floors in here. Little accent windows everywhere. Orton does a great job. So look, if you're thinking about moving to the area, give me a call. My contact information is going to be in the description. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area, or maybe Clive, whatever the case may be. The next one's in the same neighborhood, right down the road. So not a whole lot more to tell you about the area. A really beautiful neighborhood, as you can see. They're building a lot of homes still here. I hope you can hear me. Across the street, they're using a generator. They're building a home. But anyway, this one is, we're going to go take a look inside. I like the modern look. So anyway, let's go take a look. All right, here we are in this house. Real nice open entryway. You got the tray ceiling in the living room. Look at those nice windows on each side of the fireplace. This house is $570,000. It's 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. It's got 1,830 square feet above grade, and then in the finished basement, another 1,500 square feet. Beautiful home, lots of nice extras. This is another Orton home. So let's go take a look around. You get the nice fireplace with the windows on each side, nice plate glass windows. I really like the accent windows on the staircase. Nice little drop zone right here as you come in from the garage, and here's a half bath, and here is the 3-car garage right here. 3-car garage. Nice soft closed cabinets, gas stove there. Here is the guest bedrooms. Really nice sized guest bedroom, and again with the really nice closets. This one has Jack and Jill bathroom, so a double vanity with a nice shower there, pocket doors, which I really like. Beautiful windows here in the guest bedroom. Let's go take a look at the primary. No, first, let's go take a look at the deck. I love the colors in this house. Great view, kind of up the hill. You're at the bottom of the, I guess, the valley right here. This would be your pantry right there. The primary bedroom is nice, very large. And this is, I think that's a full-size bed. It might be a double. A lot of windows, nice windows, and double vanity. Nice little water closet and a really nice walk-in closet. Walk-in shower. The walk-in closet, though, look at this thing. Don't even need lights in here. You get the windows and shelving. They do a great job with shelving. Again, with the laundry room basically connected to the primary bedroom. Very, very nice. Right down here, you walk into a very large, entertainment room or another, or a theater room or something like that, and a walk-up bar. Really nice bar. Right here. I like the brick back there. It's quite nice. And large bedroom down here. Same closet as upstairs. And here is the other bedroom. Quite large. There's the bathroom, the shared bathroom. All right, there you go. We saw 3 houses, quite nice homes, all by Orton Homes, and right in a pretty good price point right here in Clive. So great houses. So if you're thinking about moving, maybe in the next 9 days, 9 months, give me a call. My contact information is going to be in the description. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Des Moines area or maybe Clive.